Uh, Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today is 27th of August 2021. Right now, I am with the 9 Cambridge Girls class, and the subject we are studying is DMAS 4024. Today, we are working on the D-3, chapter number 1, and we are working on the exercise 1B. In our class, in the face-to-face class, we have already learned what is the quadratic formula, and we are going to solve few questions, very simple questions. You just have to apply quadratic formula. Okay, so question number 1 and 2, they are very simple. So I will be working from the question number 3. So the first question we are going to solve is question number 3a part. Okay, you can see solve each of the following equation. X bracket x plus 1 bracket close equals to 1. I'm going to solve this one. uh, Here, first of all, you have to expand this bracket, simplify this bracket. You have to convert it into the standard quadratic form. Okay, so let me show you my solutions. Here we have my solution. So this is on your screen. Hopefully you can see this. Let me show you. If you have your copy and pencil with you, is this visible on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So x bracket x plus 1 bracket close equals to 1. First of all, I will convert it into the standard quadratic equation. So that x will multiply with that bracket. X multiply x, it will be x square. X multiply 1, that will be x equals to 1. So I bring that 1 from the right side to the left side. So there it was plus 1. When it comes to the left side, it will become minus 1. So now I have the standard quadratic equation, x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. The standard quadratic equation means that the first term is x square, the second term is x, third term is a constant, and then equal, and then 0. So the coefficient of x square, I call it a, the coefficient of x, I call it b. You cannot hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can hear me or you cannot hear me?
Sir, we can hear you.
Hafza is saying that there is some problem with the sound. Okay, let me bring this. Hello? Now it will be much louder
Okay, sir.
because now I have. Uh, okay, I have switched off the fan also. Okay, so now I will apply the quadratic formula. You can see the quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The value of the b is plus 1. So, and the value of the b is 1, and the value of the a is 1, the value of the c is minus 1. And you can see that I have substituted those values of a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. So a square will be 1 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply with the minus 1, it will become plus 4, and x will be equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4, that will be 5. So it's under root 5. So now there will be two cases. Because this is plus minus, so in one situation it will be minus 1 plus under root 5 divided by 2. In the second situation we will have minus 1 minus under root 5 divided by 2. Do you have calculators with you?
Yes.
Okay, so on your calculator write minus 1 plus under root 5 equals to divided 2 equals to, and note down the answer.
0.61.
0.61. Just note it down, okay? You are saying 0.61. Let me also note something. You said what you said? 0.61.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And I'm just putting, okay. And what will be the next thing is -1 minus under root 5 equals to divided by 2 equals to. So what's the answer?
Minus 1.62.
Oh, minus 1.62. So I was thinking, okay, so just note down these answers. You have your book with you. Somebody please confirm the answer from the book. Please check the answer from the book. Please, bete, check the answer. Somebody will confirm. I don't have the book with me. Our answers are right or no?
Right, sir.
Okay. So you can do these questions in your copy. Do you have your copies with you? Please attempt these question. This question, note it down in your copy. Then we will go to the next question. Once you are done, then let me know. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. We are moving to the next question. So the next question we are going to attempt is question number 3. It's B part. On your book, encircle these questions which you are working with me. The questions which I will leave, you will do it yourself. Right now, I am going to attempt question number 3 B part. You can see the question here. Question number 3 B part. 3 bracket x plus 1 bracket x minus 1 equals to 7x. Question number 3 B part, I'm saying. In this question, normally this 3, that there are two brackets, they are multiplying with each other, and out of those two brackets we have a 3. That 3 is also multiplying with these two brackets. But if you know the rule, the 3 will only multiply with one of the brackets. Either you can multiply 3 with the first bracket, or you can multiply it with the second bracket. Okay. So let me show you how this is done. The difficult questions I'm trying to do, the rest you will do. Okay, so now we will work on question number 3B part. Let me find out where is the question number 3B part. Okay, here we have. So here we have question number 3B part. Okay. So on your screen, question number 3B part. 3 bracket x plus 1 bracket close bracket start x minus 1 equals to 7x. So first of all, I multiplied that 3 with this first bracket. The 3 can multiply either with the first bracket or it can be multiplied with the second bracket. So 3 will multiply with that 3x plus 3. This is one bracket. And the x minus 1, the second bracket, as it is, equals to 7x. Now these two brackets are multiplying. So this 3x will multiply with the second bracket, 3x into x minus 1. And then plus 3 will multiply with the second bracket equals to 7x. This will 3x squared, 3x multiplied minus 1. This will give you minus 3x. Plus 3 will multiply with x. It will give you plus 3x. 3 will multiply with minus 1. It will give you minus 3 equals to 7x. This 3x positive, 3x negative, they both will be cancelled. Bring this 7x to the left side. Here it is positive 7x. When it comes to the left side, it will become minus 7x. So this will become 3x squared minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0. This is the standard quadratic form. So the coefficient of x squared is, we call it a. So the value of the a will be 3, the value of the b will be minus 7, and the value of the c will be minus 3. So I'm going to solve it with the help of the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The value of the b is minus 7. The value of the a is 3. The value of the c is minus 3. So I will substitute those values into the quadratic formula. this minus and minus 7, that will become 7. The special thing is here, when I will take the square of the minus 7, it will become positive 49. Minus 4 multiply with 3 multiply with minus 3, minus minus will become plus 4. 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So this will become, and 2 3s are 6. So 7 plus minus under root 49 plus 36 is 85 divided by 6. And then we have two cases. In one case, I will 7 plus under root 85 divided by 6, and one case will be 7 minus under root 85 divided by 6. So if you have your calculator with you, kindly take your calculator in your hand. Write 7 plus under root 85 equals to, divide 6 equals to. Get the answer and note it down. Also tell me what's the answer.
2.70.
Okay, 2.07.
70.
2.70. Okay, note it down. Okay. Now do the second calculation, that is 7 minus under root 85 equal, divide 6 equal.
Minus 0.7.
Okay, so you got the both the answers. Please check them from the book. Please check them from the book. Are they correct?
Yes, sir.
They are correct. Okay. So now you have 2 minutes. Kindly do this whole question in your notebook, and also encircle this part in your book, so we know that these are the questions which you have done with me. So we have attempted question number 3A part. We have attempted question number 3B part. When you are done with your notebook, kindly let me know.
Done.
Okay. And during this call, you can zoom in your screen. Okay. If that figure is very small, by using your two fingers, you can zoom. Okay, bete, we are moving to the next question. So the next question we are going to attempt is question number 3C part. Let me show you the question first. Okay, so we are on question number 3C part. And the question number 3C part is x minus 1 whole square minus 2x equals to 0. He wants us to solve this because this is not in the standard quadratic form. So I will convert it into the standard quadratic form. So for that purpose, I will open that whole square. This is like a minus b whole square equals to square a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let me check. Somebody is messaging me what they are saying. Okay, so let me check the message. So I will do my Excel one. Okay, no problem. Meetup. Okay, we will note down your name. Okay, don't worry. So where I was. So okay. So on your screen, question number 3C part is showing up. Okay. So you can see that I will take that x minus 1 whole square. I will open it with the formula, with the identity. and square of the first term minus 2 into the first term into the second term plus square of the second term, and then there is a minus 2x equals to 0. So we will have x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x equals to 0. So then I will have x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Now this is in the standard form. The coefficient of x square is 1. The coefficient of x is minus 4. And the constant term is 1. So I have, I will apply the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, the whole thing divided by 2a. Simply substitute the value of the b, the value of the a, and the value of the c in the formula. So here you can see minus will multiply with minus will become plus 4. When I will take the square of the whole of the minus 4, when I will take the square of the minus 4, it will become plus 16. When this minus 4 will multiply with 1 and 1, it will become minus 4. The whole thing, 2 multiplied 1 will be 2. So we will get 4 plus under root 16 minus 4 by 2. So it will be 4 plus minus under root 12 divided by 2. So now we will have two cases. In one case, I will 4 plus under root 12 divided by 2. And the other case, we will have 4 minus under root 12 divided by 2. So you have your calculator with you?
Yes.
The
Okay,
first one
fine.
is 3.7.
Okay. Okay. Now check your
3.7.
answer from the book. Okay. Check the answer also. Bismarck, kindly do this calculation. 4 plus under root 12 equals to divided by 2 equals to
2.73. 3.73, sorry.
3.73. Note down this answer. And then the second calculation is 4 minus under root 12 equals to divided by 2 equals to.
0.26.
Okay, now confirm somebody, please. The answers we have got, just check them if they are correct or not from your book.
Sir, they are correct.
Say they are correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. So now you have 2 minutes. If you have not done this question, please note it down in your copy, and then we will move to the next part. So the whole question is showing up. You can zoom your screen, and then you will be able to see a larger view.
Sir, the left of ones can we do by ourselves?
Yes, the
That's
questions
fine.
which I will leave, you will do it yourself. So kindly mark the question number, which the part number which I have done with you. So you know that which questions you have done with your teacher and the which questions have been left. So the questions which are left, you are supposed to do it yourself. They will be easy ones, but you have to work. When you are done with your noting it down, then let me know so we will move on.
Done, sir.
Okay. So the next question, we are done with the A part, B part. Okay. So the next question I'm going to attempt is question number 3, F part. Question number 3, F part. Where is your class? Okay. Question number 3, F part. Okay. So here we go. Question number 3, F part is showing up on your screen. You can see it's a little bit, it appears to be a little bit difficult. Bracket 4x minus 3 bracket close whole square plus bracket 4x plus 3 bracket close whole square equals to 25. They want us to solve it. So first of all, I have to open these brackets, simplify it, convert it into the standard quadratic form, and then I will apply the quadratic formula. Okay. So let me show you how I have done this, and hopefully you will be able to understand. So here we have that question. Okay. So the question number 3, F part, is showing up on your screen. This is 4x minus 3 whole square plus 4x plus 3 whole square equals to 25. So I will open those whole squares with the help of the identity whole square. The first whole square I can open square of the first term minus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term plus, now I will open the second bracket. It will be square of the first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term and equals to 25. So 4x whole square, it will be 16x square. When 2 multiply with the 4, it will become 8. 8 multiplied 3, that will be 24. So it will become minus 24x. And then you have 3 square, that will be 9. This 4x square, that will become 16x square. This will become plus 24x. And this thing is 9 equals to 25. You see this minus 24x and this plus 24x, they will be cancelled with each other. So now I have 16x square plus 16x square, that will give you 32x square. 9 plus 9, that will be 18 equals to 25. Now I will take this 18 to the other side, to the right side. On the other side, it will be subtracted. So now I have 32x square equals to 25 minus 18. So you have 32x square equals to 7. So then I will take this 32 to the other side. So x square will be equals to 7 by 32. I will take square root on both the sides. Because this has not went into an expression or an equation in which you have x square and x and constant. It has only x squared term and a constant term. So its answer, you don't need to apply the quadratic formula. I can directly find out the value of the x. So I took the square root on both the side. So the final answer will be plus minus under root 7 by 32. So kindly note down how you will write this in your calculator. There are two methods. The first method is square root, bracket start, 7 divide 32 bracket close equals to.
0.467.
And there will be a positive and a negative sign with it. Okay. Kindly check your answer from your book. Confirm that your answer is right from the book.
Sir, it is correct.
Okay. Okay. So this question was little different. That's why I have done this. So you see that here I don't need to apply the quadratic formula, because when I was converting it into the standard quadratic equation, so I came to know there is only constant term, constant and x square. So its answer can be directly found. So kindly note this in your notebook. So when you are done, kindly let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay, shabash, shabash, very good. Okay, and can you give me your name so I know who is taking the class? Ishal is here, and we have Bisma, and we have Fatima. This is Fatima server.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So we have Bisma, Ishal, Fatima server, Hafza. We have Hafza with us, and then we have Huda, and then there was another girl, Mirab. What was her name?
Meera Khalid.
Okay, okay. ठीक हो. Mirab was here. Okay. So these are the girls who are taking the class. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Now I'm going to attempt question number 4. It's B part. We are going to attempt question number 4. It's B part. Okay. Question number 4. It's B part. You can see question number 4 B part. And this is the question here. The problem with this question is that it has fractions in it. It has denominators. So how I will get rid of these denominators? Try to understand this technique. You see in the question number 4b part, there are two denominators. One denominator is 4, the other denominator is 2. I will find out their LCM, least common multiple. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So every term in this equation, I will multiply every term of this equation with 4, and I will get rid of that denominator. Let me show you that technique. I have done this on a paper. Let me show you. This is the question number. So where is that question? Question number 4b part is now showing up on your screen. Okay, so here we go. Now, the question number 4, B part is showing up on your screen. You can see I have 3 by 4 x squared plus 2x minus 1 by 2 equals to 0. The problem with this is that it has denominators. There are two denominators, 4 and 2. Their LCM is 4. So my technique of getting rid of them is I will multiply that LCM with each term in that equation. So you can see that I have multiplied 4 here, and 4 with the 2x, and 4 with the 1 by 2 equals to 4 with the 0. So this 4 and this 4 will be cancelled. You will have 3x squared. This 4 multiplied with 2x, it will give you 8x. This 4 multiplied with 1 by 2, this 2 and 4 will be cancelled. You will be left with minus 2 only, equals to 4 multiplied 0, that gives you 0. Do you understand this step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is in the standard quadratic form. It is 3x squared plus 8x minus 2 equals to 0. The coefficient of x square is called a, that is 3. Coefficient of x is called b, and it is here 8. And the constant term is called c, which is minus 2 here. So I will apply the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So when I will substitute these values of a, b, and c into the quadratic formula, this is what you will get. Okay. So you can see I have substituted those values. So we will have minus 8 plus minus under root 8 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 2 divided by 2 into 3. Okay. So we will have minus 8 plus minus under root 64, and this minus minus plus 6 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 divided by 6. So we will have minus 8 plus minus, this will become 88 divided by 6. And now you will have two situations. So use your calculator, bete. Minus 8 plus under root 88 equals to divided by 6 equals to
0.23.
0.23. Note it down. Okay. Then do the next calculation. It's minus 8 minus under root 88 equals to divided by 6 equals to
Minus 2.89.
Minus 2.89.
1. Okay. Now note your answers and check it from your book. Are our answers right or not? Confirm them.
Yes, sir. They're right.
They're right. Okay. So you have 1 minute. Kindly note it down in your copy. This is showing up on your screen. You can zoom in on your screen. If this is not clearly visible to you, you can zoom your screen.
Done, sir.
Okay, you are done. Okay. So let me go to another part. I hope that all of you have noted it down in your copies. I will check them on Monday, or maybe if your day is on Tuesday, we will check. And let's go to the next part. Okay. So the next part which we are going to work is, let me see which part I have done. Okay.
Part D.
So now I am going to attempt question number 4D part. Question number 4D part. So you can see this is the question number 4D part, and this one 3x minus 4 equals to bracket 4x minus 3 bracket close whole square. So we just have to open these brackets and bring them on the same side, convert it into the standard quadratic form, and then we will apply the quadratic formula. Okay, so let me show you my solution. So here we go. Where is that question? I have done. Yeah, so here is the question. 3x minus 4 equals to bracket 4x minus 3 bracket close whole square. The left side 3x minus 4 will remain as it is, 4x minus 3 whole square. We will use the formula, the identity, square of the first term minus 2 into the first term into the second term plus square of the second term. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? I'm opening the whole square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so it will be 3x minus 4 equals to, this will become 16x square, this will become 24x, and this will become 9. I will take these left terms, the terms which are on the left side to the right side. So we will have 16x square minus 24x. From there, plus 3x will come here and it will become minus 3x. Then I have plus 9. From there, the minus 4 will come to the right side and it will become plus 4. Okay, so we will have 16x square minus 27x plus 13. So I will switch the sides and the complete sides are switched. So that's why no signs will be changed. So the thing is, in the standard quadratic form, the value of the a, the coefficient of x square is 16, the coefficient of x is minus 27, and the constant term is 13. So a is 16, b is minus 27, and c is 13. Then I will write the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula, you see, whenever I solve this question, I always write the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. I will substitute the value of the b, the value of the a, the value of the c in the formula. So minus and minus 27, it will become plus 27. When I will take the square of the minus 27, it will become positive 729. When minus 4 will multiply with 16 and 13, it will be minus 832. So from 729, when I subtract minus 832, the answer will be minus 103. So now we have a special situation here. Never forget this situation. Here I have 27 plus minus under root minus 103 and whole thing divided by 32. Whenever when you are working and under the square root you get a negative number, like here square root of minus 103, when you are solving the quadratic formula and at the final stage you find that you have to take the square root of a negative number, that is not possible. When you will try to do this, when you on your calculator, when you will write square root minus 103 equals to, the calculator will say syntax error. This is not possible. We cannot take the square root of a negative number. So because the question now cannot further go, we will say the solution is not possible. The spelling of possible may be right or not, but the solution is not possible. Do you understand the point which I'm trying to tell you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you look at the answers in your book, you will see that there is written no solution possible. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. So now we are done with the question number exercise 1B. I hope that you have encircled the questions, the parts which you have done with me. By doing so, what will happen? You will remember that which questions you have done with your teacher. The rest of the questions which you have not done, you can do it yourself at your home. From my side, the exercise 1B is done, and the one group has already started the graph. The exercise 1C, and exercise 1C, we require graph copies. And the graph copies, you are not supposed to bring the graphs which are of inches. Bring the graph copy which is of the city school or is of the Beacon House school, which has smaller squares. We call it centimeter graph. We need that one. Do everybody understand what I'm saying? Are you understanding what I'm saying? What things I am saying to
Yes,
bring on
sir.
Monday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so because normally I will not let you do the work in the graph copy, we will take out the graphs, you will make a graph and then you will paste in your normal copy. So that everybody have, we don't get the face the problem that somebody don't have the graph. So, but everybody bring your copy, okay? We need a scale, a large scale or maybe a small scale. 15 centimeter scale can also work. If you bring the big one, 12 which has 30 centimeter, I think that scale will also work. I need scale, pencil, rubber, sharpener, graph copy. Is very important because these questions are finished. We will be working on the exercise 1C, and that requires all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's it for today, and I think thank you very much, everybody, and I have noted down your names. So thank you very much, everybody, and God bless you all. Thank you very much. Have a good day.